I've gone a bit asymmetric this year, so we've got some of the stripes on the left sleeve, under the arm a little.
My name's Ed Cowburn. I am director and head designer at Milltag. You can check us out at milltag.cc. We've been working with Matrix for about 2.5 years, so 2 seasons. We design all the kit and also design and help with all the branding of the team and everything else that they need that looks pretty. The difficult thing with cycling is you kind of have to work with several different partners as sponsors to make the kit work. But we had a slightly different view on it compared to maybe the traditional way of, look, here's my logos for the team that sponsor us, therefore they're the colours you have to use. We kind of sat down and we thought a bit more about it as a brand and as something that hopefully would have the same colours for many years, whether the sponsors change and come and go as they do. So we sort of sat down, 2 years ago and decided that actually let's have a look at what other teams are doing, what those colours are. And we decided that navy blue wasn't really used in women's cycling. There was also the green of Vulpine as one of the main sponsors last year. They had green the year before, so it kind of all felt that was where the direction of the clothing should go. I also came up with this kind of stripes motif of blue, white, green, and that's kind of followed on and become a bit more prominent this year as the team have gone pro. So, and somewhere in here we go, is the pro version of the kit. The business was started 5 years ago. Me and Pete, my business partner, we'd actually met several years before on a bike ride. It was a match made in heaven. We were doing a charity ride from London to Paris and got talking. Cut to 4 years later, we decided that we were sick of all these very generic, boring designs that were out there, and so started designing ourselves. The main design feature is we've got these stripes in a diagonal form all the way across the pockets and onto the side panels. It's a good looking piece of kit, I think. It all allows me to be able to take what's on the jersey and it suddenly becomes a bigger piece, it becomes a brand, it becomes all the different assets that you could possibly need, from business card to a car to supporters gear, caps and t-shirts and water bottles and all the different things that a cycling team needs. But to make it stand out and to give it hopefully some sense of longevity, that it will evolve, but essentially the look of the team will stay the same.